Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads. In this video, I have two different part-time work from home jobs for you. I know from past comments on this channel, a lot of you are looking for part-time work that you can work around like other jobs. I am still trying to look for that, but as always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do always try to keep those in mind when I am searching for job leads to share, trying to help you just find the perfect work from home job for you. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the company DraftKings. Now, DraftKings is like an online sports like betting type platform. I do know somebody in real life who works for this company and they seem to love it. They have 599 reviews from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a temporary data coordinator. This is going to be part-time, remote for the United States only. And they're looking for somebody to just work with data, updating live scores for live sporting events. So even though this is part-time, it is going to require nights and weekends. So you can work this around another full-time day job, but they're looking for somebody to add and update that live data during these live sporting events, reporting any concerns or issues up to management in a timely manner, just making sure all the data is entered accurately and the quality of standards and procedures are maintained. And you'll help the company also identify any opportunities to streamline operational processes. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has great attention to detail, can understand multiple sporting events like Leagues of Legends and matting, somebody who can work 20 to 30 hours a week, and somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment, and again, on those nights and weekends. But pay for this position's anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. If sports is not your thing, that's okay. This next one is in the beauty industry, if that is more your thing. The company is Solomon Page. Now, they are a staffing agency, but I always say never fear staffing agencies. Lots of companies hire through staffing agencies to make sure people will work out, and then later on hire them permanently as a part of a team. It's a great way to try out different things to see if something is a good fit for you. But Solomon Page has 326 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for someone to do part-time beauty customer service. Now, it does say this is a fully remote role and is part-time. They're looking for 25 hours a week, but they are contracted with a luxury beauty brand out of New York City. And they're looking for somebody to analyze and test new customer service tools like their Salesforce Service Cloud or different chat boxes for development and disconnects in performance. You're going to reinforce support training with these different platforms, managing and escalating to ensure consistent application of the customer service philosophy in every interaction, just building strong relationships with those business partners and ensuring any customer escalations are handled and all customer complaints are addressed quickly and appropriately. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of retail or customer service experience. They want somebody who has flexibility with working hours, including being able to work some evenings and weekends, great communication skills, and somebody who is a multitasker. Of course, you've got to know how to work computer systems like Microsoft Office, Excel, and they do want somebody who's experienced working with other tools like CRM tools, Salesforce, things like that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. And don't forget, if you enjoy job leads like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.